All right, let's see what this thing looks like with some paint on it. So I wanted to add a little end note on this. I really kind of picked up some interesting things off of this. This was intended to be originally just another junk bot after the last drawing session and kind of putting down some ideas on how I wanted the OMC bot to look. My original intention was not to make this. I guess it was just subconsciously stuck in my head that I wanted to make a racing bot. And this is what came out. So some of this was sort of intentional, some of it wasn't. What I really like that came out of this purely by accident was those little hip pieces right there. I don't know if you can see those. It kind of looked like a wishbone suspension you'd find on a sports car. That was totally by accident. I was just trying to find a way to make it look cool with whatever parts I had laying around, and now I think I'm going to try to incorporate a working version of that into the OMC competition bot. So, and I like the little dynamite stick antenna on the back. Did it end up looking like the Porsche? You know, I mean, I got the stripes and the colors down. The last thing is, I am in desperate need of detail brushes. The ones I have, well, the one I have is okay, but I really need to invest in getting a few more, so I guess that's my next purchase. Anyway, it was fun building. It looks cool. I mean, it looks like a little racing bot, which is kind of what I sort of semi-intended, I guess. Yeah, cool. Hope you like it. Like and subscribe.